Hey so family, it's another recap video of 2017, and in this video you guys, I don't know what possessed me, but I'm going to take on the task of sharing with you guys some of my favorite green beauty, clean, non-toxic, some of them are vegan, some of them are not vegan, lipsticks, lip glosses of 2017. Lipsticks and lip glosses are my favorite makeup items. I just love lipsticks and lip glosses. So I own quite a few, you guys. I really own quite a few. I have really big lips and I just have to make sure they always look proper, always look on point. So I do own quite a few. So it was kind of hard for me to take on this task, but I narrowed it down to the few that I found that I gravitated towards more in 2017. Not that the others I didn't. It's just that some of them are only on special occasions because of the color, and just some of them were just, I just gravitated more towards them. So without further ado, without much talking, I'm just going to go into my favorites that I just always seem to reach for in 2017. Before we get started, shout out to Pacifica. This video is not sponsored at all, but this is their Pacifica Cherry Kisses Hydrating Lipstick Wipes. And it's basically good for removing lipstick. So we're about to put it to the test today to see how it holds up. First of all, let me take off this one that I have on my lip now. Should I? Is it one of the ones that I'm showing? I don't think so. Let's take this one off first. These wipes smell like, they smell like fruit punch. It smells so good. I'm going to start with the lip glosses. First lip gloss is this one here from Hynt Beauty. This is the Hynt Beauty Libre Lip Gloss in the color Femme. This is Femme. This is what it looks like. Lip gloss again. This is also from Hynt Beauty. This is the Libre Lip Gloss in the color Burgundy Cherry. To me, it just boosts my natural lips. It has a brown burgundy-ish undertone, and it just really boosts my natural lip. And, oh, also, I'm going to insert a picture. Tangomint from Red Apple Lipsticks was also another lip gloss that I really gravitated towards. That one is in the car. I keep it in my car because when I'm on the go, I need a quick lip gloss to apply. Tangomint from Red Apple Lipsticks. This next color here is from Hynt Beauty. This is Passion Plum. This is a sample that I ordered from them a while ago. I did a full video on all of their lipsticks. Well, it's right there if you guys want to see it. This is Passion Plum from Hynt Beauty. And I think this is my favorite lipstick from Hynt Beauty. Hands down my favorite. Lately I've been really into the nude mauve colors. I don't know why, but this is Passion Plum without a lip liner. I need to get it in the full size because as you can see, I'm almost done with the sample, but yes. This color right here is a recent favorite of mine. It is called Suede Splash and it is from Burts Bees, and this is what it looks like. This color definitely needs a lip liner. Let me see, I keep saying that, let me show you what I mean. Let me find a brown lip liner to show you what it can actually look like if I know where my lip liners and stuff are. Of course, I can't find them now. This is what it would look like with a brown lip liner. So this is Suede Splash from Burt's Bees with a brown lip liner. See how bomb that is? Real cute, right? Staying in the brown family again, this is Pacifica's Plushes Liquid Mineral Lipstick in the color Flawless. This is Flawless from Pacifica. This is without a lip liner. And this is it with a lip liner. Next one is from Elate Cosmetics. This is their lipstick in the color Blush. I know it might look a little bit crazy and ashy to you guys, but I actually like the color, especially, say it with me, with a lip liner. Everything looks better with a lip liner. I added that brown lip liner for y'all. I did it so you can see that I'm not crazy. It is really pretty, right? So this is it with the brown lip liner. Really complements our skin tone. Really pretty. I tell you, that brown lip liner works magic. Summer 2017 was the summer of Coral Crush for me. This lipstick right here went everywhere with me this summer. This is from Red Apple Lipsticks and it's called Coral Crush. Red Apple Lipsticks is actually my absolute favorite lipstick brand of all time so far. They just get it right for me on so many levels. They have a lot of shades, the formula is great. Red Apple I own a lot of their lipsticks. They are my favorite lipstick brand. But anyway, I digress. Coral Crush is everything for me this summer. I'm not sure if they discontinued this color or not. I hope they didn't. But this is one of their most popular colors. You could either apply it really light to just add a flush of color, or you can build it up like this to make it stand out more. But all summer long, Coral Crush is my ride or die. It was my ride or die all summer. It really was. I loved it. I loved it. Now moving into the reds. This is the color. What color are you? This is the color Firebird from Pacifica. It is not a bold, really dark red. It's a very light red color. You can build it up to this level. You can apply it lightly. So this is a red that I would wear to work sometimes because it's not like a bold in your face red. This is a work appropriate, and I work in corporate America, a work appropriate red in my opinion. This next red right here though, I mean, it might not be work appropriate, but sometimes I did wear it to work. I'm just saying. Because I'm a rebel like that, and that is what it's called. This is from Red Apple Lipsticks again. This is the color Rebel, and it is really a bright red. This is from Red Apple Lipstick again. I told you guys I love Red Apple. I mean, this is Back to the Fuchsia from Red Apple Lipsticks, and this is more of a fuchsia berry red color. Sorry, last color. This is from 100% Pure, and this is in the color Currant. Yes, I've worn Currant to work as well. I have. Well, most of these I've worn to work. I mean, the nudie ones, I wear them on a regular basis. The other ones, when I'm feeling kind of extra special, extra, you know, extra, like on a Friday or something, then I wear the bold colors. And this is their semi-matte formula. So this one lasts pretty long on the lips. There you have it. That's it. My lips are tired. They've taken a beating. I'm done. This was way too much, but I did it anyway. Those were basically all the lipsticks that I really gravitated towards the most during 2017. Like I said, I have plenty more lipsticks. I just can't show them all, but these are the ones that if I was in a rush or if I didn't know what to put on, I would just grab one of these. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my sacrifice of stuff, you know, sacrificing and suffering through the lip swatches to do this for you guys. And yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll list all the lipsticks down below in order of how they appeared on my lip. If you're interested in them, go ahead and purchase it for the companies. I don't think I have any coupon codes for any of these for you. No. Sorry. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not that big yet. But one day it will come. One day it will come. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully these lipsticks help you, inspire you, and motivate you to purchase more lipsticks. But that's it. That's it. Enjoy your day, and there will be more videos. There will be more recap videos, more 2017 recap videos coming soon. So subscribe, why don't you? So you don't miss it, you know. You don't want to miss them. Subscribe. Anyway, have a good day, and always, always enjoy your journey. Bye.